Assalamualaikum students, welcome to Phonics Academia online class grade 9 in which we have discussed about subjects physics, topic physical quantities and measurement, subtopic reading explanation and short question. So students, open your book page number 8 in which we have to discuss about today international system of unit. Why they are come to begin, why we are and why we are all around the world they are follow this system. So let me start. Students, open your book page number 8. The International System of Unit. International System of Unit, it also known as SI unit. They are also known as SI unit. S stand for S System of International. International System of Unit stand for SI units. Okay. The International Committed on a Weight and a Measurement in 1961. These are meeting that we hold in 1961 in London by the reason of many countries have been import and export many material, but they face a difficulty because that every country has own weight of measurements, length and other things. But that we are face difficulties because that one country have a 5 kg is equal to 5 gram 5 kilogram and the other have a 1 kilogram is equal to 800 gram. So the international system are to be held in London in 1961 to be made that's a unit that we follow in all around the world. This international committed on the weight and measurements. Weight means that's a weight we have been measured and the all measurements like length, mass, time, temperature that be very reasonable to be all around the world because that weight, length, mass are the basis are these things that we are measuring in all around the world. Recommending the use of this system consists of 7 base units. Students, these are come to begin because that countries are face this difficulty to the weight, length because that when they are import and export, other country have a own measurement and the other country have a own measurement because they have a conflicts between them because that misunderstanding of this weight and its measurement. The international base 7 unit is length, mass, time, temperature, electric intensity of light and amount of substance. These are the 7 basic units to measurement. Length is equal to unit is meter, mass kilogram, mass weight is kilogram, time is second, temperature is Kelvin, electric current is ampere, intensity of light candela, and amount of substance is mole. These are the symbols of this physical quantity. Let me start. The use of this system consists of 7 base units. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 units. Now an international system of unit. Observation of SI units. This system is all used all around the world. Use of ISS unit help all scientists to share and compare their observation and compare observation and result. If you have same measurements to measure of weight, length, so scientists and other people have easily share their results and observations. And the import and export of other things will make up very easily. So they think the value are fixed with reference of international standard. This standard is known as the international standard. Okay students, coming to the page number 9, drive units. Base unit cannot be a drive unit. In a previous lecture I explained that base units are not a drive unit but drive units are a base unit. Drive from one another either can be resolved in any or more bases. Behind the units of the drive quantities such as speed, area, volume, force, pressure, electric change can be derived using the base unit. These driver units are the base units. Okay. So look at this. The unit which can be expressed in terms of the base units are drivers unit. That the units can be measured on the base of base unit